Hi, this is Ramon with Trinity Pressure Washing. I'm here looking at my first new home construction pressure wash. Taking an assessment of the work that I have to do today.
Proceed to the root.
I'm here this morning cleaning some sandy face brick, and I was going to show you the application on how I do it. It's right up under the deck. It may take a second application if the red mud is really stained, but basically that's the gist of the cleaning method. This is a new home construction clean that I'm doing. I just did the rear retaining wall around the house. I pressure washed the back steps and deck. I also cleaned the rear window and the stairs coming down. This is the type of stuff that you have to get off, like the siding, when you're doing a new house. And this goes all the way down, so I'm just showing you, you have to take your time. Red mud on the gutters, cement right there. Eventually, the garage has to be pressure washed. Just giving you an overview. Here's some cement that's splashed up on the top of the garage. That all has to go. You have to be careful of the fixtures. And I'm gonna swing around and show you the driveway going down. Pressure wash that, and the front stoop. Have to get all that red mud off. And we here at Trinity, we put up protective barriers so the water doesn't get in on the hardwood floors, because you have to get that up immediately. Here's a little update on the side work. Well, I've got all that red mud stain off the brick as I meander down through the side of the house. I took care of the air conditioner unit. Here's a look at the wall going down. footage from the side of the house. All right, I'll get back to you in a second. Here's the process of me letting the garage door down. I got the cement off the top of the garage right here. And if you can see close enough, you can see it needed to be rinsed. It had red mud on it. So I'm gonna rinse that, and then I'm gonna start on the inside garage. I'm gonna do the front stoop. I already have my protective gear up. Getting ready to pressure wash the front stoop. Here's a picture of that section of the concrete. It's not dry yet. And here's the front stoop. I also have to do the window when I finish. I downstream the chemical. Now I'm getting ready to clean out the inside of the garage. Here is the after footage, the new home completed by Trinity Pressure Washing. Here's the brickwork that had the red mud. As you can see, the red mud has been removed. Here's the deck from the side. There's the brickwork down the side. If I go in from the front, it'll be too close. As you can see, the great brickwork, all the red stain was removed. So it's what you can expect from Trinity Pressure Washing, a new home cleanup. Here's the completed home. Those bricks had a sandy face finish. All of the finish stayed intact. Driveway is still drying. They currently have the landscapers that are steady watering the sod. Nothing I can do about that. Anyway, another job done by Trinity Pressure Washing. 704-614-5639. See you soon.